Thank you.
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 Merci.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cảm ơn.
Thank you.
Thank you. For what? Thank you for your connectional giving. Thank you for being the church around the world and here in West Ohio. Connectional giving is greater than apportionments. Connectional giving changes lives and empowers others to change lives. That is our story. It's a story of God working through God's children to create missions, feed the homeless, reach people in prisons with the gospel, and build churches. We need to rethink how we use the word apportionments. Often misunderstood, our apportioned giving is simply our connectional giving. Whether we're speaking of apportioned amounts or special offerings, our giving, your dollars, my dollars, are precious opportunities that gather us in as people of faith. Children of God simply helping other children of God. When we remember this, our connectional giving reminds us that all is God's gift to us. And when we give, we bless the giver, and we are blessed. Friends, we are better together. We give out of our love of God and neighbor. Connectional giving is a way to making our united love of God and neighbor impactful, enlarging our capacity to make a difference in the lives of all of God's people. It's others we serve, and together we train, consult with local churches, credential clergy, provide stewardship training, feed the hungry, quench the thirst of the thirsty, welcome the stranger, clothe the naked, take care of the sick, and visit those in prison. Today's connectional giving dollars certainly accounts around the world, but also around our West Ohio neighborhoods in many ways. Thank you. Two simple but very powerful words are thank you. They're precious words that we don't take lightly. Your generous giving out of your love of Jesus Christ has made a difference in our Christian witness. United Methodists accomplished what no single church, no single district or annual conference could ever hope to do alone. In this way, each individual, each family, each congregation gives a fair share for the church's work. We combine our prayers, our presence, gifts, and service to make a significant difference in the lives of God's people. Thank you.